Guys, it's Luciana and I'm back at my mom's, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So, a couple of weeks ago I came across this new book set for the Percy Jackson and Olympians series, and I had to get it. So I finally found it, and it has finally come, and I am excited to see it. So let's open it up. So snippy. Okay, there's one. Be careful with scissors, people. Okay. Oh, this side, right. Okay, lucky last. These aren't the best scissors. Ah. Okay, I got it. Okay, let's open this up, shall we? I guess you open it like that. Or I could have just opened it like this, but apparently I like to do things more difficult. Okay, it's opened. Okay. None of that stuff. Oh, there it is. Oh, shiny. Okay, wait, let me take it off, this paper thing off, so we can get a better look. Here we are. It's here. And it's really, really pretty. Okay. So inside we have, here we have Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief, Percy Jackson and the Sea of Monsters, Percy Jackson and the Titan's Curse, Percy Jackson and the Battle of the Labyrinth, and Percy Jackson and the Last Olympian, all by Rick Riordan. And this must be the poster it comes with. Nice. And I am pretty sure that the books make that picture, because that's what caught my attention. So I guess I will show you that after. So here are the books all together. Please ignore my One Direction covers in the background. But yes, they are so pretty. I am kind of just speechless right now. I'm actually shaking a little. I'm hoping you can't really tell, but I'm very excited. So the main reason I got this new set in the first place, besides the fact that it was so pretty, is because my old ones do not match. Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief and Percy Jackson and the Sea of Monsters are the same editions. Percy Jackson and the Titan's Curse and Percy Jackson and the Battle of the Labyrinth are a different edition. And the Last Olympian is a different edition. So you may know this from my Reader's Problems tag, which will be linked in the description, that I don't like when covers don't match, and it has been bugging me that these are all different. Like, there's 3 different editions of the books in here, because none of my bookstores had all of them at the same time. So I had to go to a bunch of different places to get them. So I am happy that I now have the series in the exact same edition and in such a pretty version of it. But I just really wanted to show you guys the new set I got. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like it and maybe subscribe and check my other videos if you did. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. I hope you have a great day. Bye!